Hello iPhone users, this video is going to be a little longer, but definitely it is worth to see the results. And you're gonna see how your iPhone is going to recognize the sounds you allow it to. Right? For that, you have to tap on the settings, tap on accessibility, and then you get an option for sound and name recognition. So you get this, you tap on it, and the first option is sound recognition. Tap there and you turn it on by clicking on the white dot. Once it is on and downloaded, you see different options. You tap on OK here. Now sound recognition is added to control center. This now you see many options of different sounds which your phone can recognize: alarms, animals, household, etc, etc. If I tap on cat, I will turn it on. I will make it match to a sound which I want to hear when any cat is around me, right? I can use haptics also. I just turn on the as alert tones. You tap on it, turn on sound recognition, tap on it. And yes, Hey Siri is not available while using this sound recognition. And yeah, that's how we do it. We allow for the notifications so that when the cat is around, it hears the sound, it will notify you on your phone, on your screen, right? Now I want to try for cuffing. I tap on the cuffing feature. I used quad as in my alert tone, and I am cuffing from somewhere, and my phone is recognizing, and see on the top it is clearly mentioned cuff. A sound has been recognized that may be cuffing. So yeah, this is how this feature works. Very interesting. For more, check out other videos. Ta-da!